Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD Japanese yen. So in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro British Pound, Euro GBP for 11th March 2021. So this video is for 11 March only. I'll be coming again tomorrow with tomorrow's analysis. And I apologize for not having a professional setup. I'm just doing this video from the comfort of my home. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel because I bring videos on regular basis so that my videos can help a little bit on your analysis too. Okay, and you can also check my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we all know that the trend of Euro GBP is down for quite some time. Okay, you can see that if I zoom out the chart, you can see that GBP, the Euro GBP is in good downtrend or a huge downtrend, and right now trading at 0.8562. So in a downtrend market like this, we should only be looking for selling opportunities. Okay, because if we go against the trend, then there is a higher possibility that we'll be losing money. Therefore, what should be our strategy for the day? We can have two strategies for a day. Okay. The first is we can wait for the currency pair to go up, hit the 50 moving average, and if after reaching the 50 moving average it gets some price rejection from above, like this shooting star kind of a pattern, like this, or if you see a big bearish candle like this, you can short the market right away on the 50 moving average. Okay, that is our first strategy. The second strategy is we need to wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, let me draw a line, because we can see that when market was falling, market bounced from this particular point. Okay, as a result, okay, we need for the market to cross this particular point, then only we will go for shorting the market. Okay, right now we can see that market is not having any trend. Market is flat, totally flat. Okay, so therefore in a flat market like this, just refrain from trading. Okay, just wait for the market, okay, to have some volatility. Especially in this particular range, you should not be taking any trade. When market will move up, if market hits the 50 moving average, get some price rejection from above, and you see that okay, market is about to go down again, you can short the market. Okay, and on the other hand, if market starts going down, do not short the market immediately. Wait for the market, to cross this particular line, 8542, 0.8542 level. If you see that okay, market has crossed the 0.8542 level, still wait for 1 hour. Okay, because there was a huge price rejection from this particular point, so you should be at least wait for 1 hour. Okay, just wait for 1 hour and see how the price is reacting. Okay, if you see that okay, the selling pressure is high, sellers are dominating the market again, okay, you can short the market. Okay, but you need to get the confirmation first, and you can get the confirmation only by waiting for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Okay, just see how the market is reacting after crossing the level. Let the support become the resistance. Okay, let the support becomes the resistance. Okay, then only short the market. Okay, so these are the simple two strategies that you can follow for Euro GBP for 11th March 2021. So first is wait for the market to hit the 50 moving average. Okay, 50 moving average, and then you can short the market. And the second strategy is wait for the market to uh, cross this level and let the support become the resistance. Okay, and just make sure that the price is being supported by volume. That's it. Okay. Then if if you see that the price is being supported by volume, then there will be a good fall again. So this is the simple analysis of Euro GBP for 11th March 2021. Hopefully you've understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. You can also check out my Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. Thank you so much. Good luck, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.